Hello and welcome to another edition of Steve Y the Fix-It Guy. I'm Steve Yakshi, and today we're going to have a little fun fixing a toy tape measure that my grandkids play with. But as you can see, the tape has somehow ended up inside here. So what we're going to do is just take these 3 screws loose here. And we're going to take this screw loose here, which connects to the crank. And I'm going to take it apart, and you can see there's the tape, and it has ended up inside. Let's get this out of the way. And so what I'm going to do is get it out and figure out a way to prevent it from going back in. The reason it went in is because you can see the piece of metal, whatever was here, is broken off. So we're just going to fix this for fun. So we'll put this back in here. Put this back together and put the screws back in. So now what I'm going to do, just so it doesn't go back in, I'm going to fold it over right at the 1 mark. And then we're going to take just some staples, and we're going to staple that. And there we go. That'll prevent it from going back in. So that way grandkids can have a little more fun with it before we toss it.